Hi everyone, today, we're diving into one of the most breathtaking Lamborghinis ever created, the Lamborghini Aventador LP 784 Ultimae. This isn't just another supercar, it's a swan song, a final tribute to one of the most iconic V12 engines in Lamborghini history. It's the ultimate Aventador. Literally, the name Ultimae means last in Latin, signifying the end of an era. So, let's explore why this masterpiece is a fitting farewell to Lamborghini's naturally aspirated V12 before the brand shifts towards hybrid and electric powertrains. First, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Ultimae packs the most powerful version of Lamborghini's legendary 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, pushing out 780 horsepower and 720 Nm of torque. That makes it the most potent Aventador ever made, even more powerful than the SVJ. And because it still has the permanent all-wheel drive system, the Ultimae launches from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in just 2.8 seconds. Keep your foot planted, and you'll hit 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, in 8.7 seconds, with a top speed of 221 miles per hour, 355 kilometers per hour. But performance isn't just about raw numbers, it's about the experience. The sound of this V12 is pure, unfiltered mechanical music. No turbos, no hybrid boosted, just raw power, an aggressive exhaust note, and the thrill of a high-revving engine. Lamborghini fine-tuned the aerodynamics and weight distribution to ensure this car handles as fiercely as it accelerates. Now, let's talk design. The Aventador has always been an aggressive-looking machine, but the Ultimae refines that aggression with a perfect blend of the SVJ's aerodynamics and the S model's elegance. The front bumper is designed to optimize airflow, and at the rear, you get an active rear wing with 3 different positions, maximizing downforce when needed or reducing drag for top speed runs. Lamborghini also managed to shave off 55 pounds compared to the Aventador S, giving the Ultimae a better power-to-weight ratio. The Ultimae is offered in both coupe and roadster versions. The coupe is for those who want maximum performance, while the roadster lets you experience that V12 symphony with the sky above you. Lamborghini produced only 350 coupes and 250 roadsters, making this a rare collector's piece. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cabin that blends luxury with race-inspired elements. The Ultimae gets an exclusive mix of Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber. You also get a fully digital TFT instrument cluster, customizable driving modes, and Lamborghini's push-rod suspension for race car-like handling. And of course, the fighter jet-style start button cover remains, adding that signature Lamborghini drama. Lamborghini also offers a personalization program through its Ad Personam division, allowing owners to customize colors, stitching, materials, and even unique liveries. Whether you want an all-black stealth look or a bold two-tone contrast, the possibilities are endless. One of the key aspects of the Ultimae is that it's a bridge between Lamborghini's past and future. The Aventador lineage dates back to 2011, and the Ultimae marks the end of that era. The next flagship Lamborghini will have a hybrid-assisted V12, which means this is the last time we'll ever see a purely naturally aspirated, unassisted V12 from the brand. It's not just a car, it's a piece of history. With a price tag of around $500,000, the Ultimae isn't for everyone, but then again, it's not meant to be. It's an exclusive, limited production farewell to one of the most legendary supercars of all time. And given how quickly they sold out, it's clear that enthusiasts and collectors knew its significance. So, what do you think about the Lamborghini Aventador LP 784 Ultimae? Is this the perfect send-off for the Aventador, or would you have wanted something even wilder? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible luxury car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.